Hello friends and welcome. Today we are going to talk about 5 techniques for effective stress management. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. In today's hectic world, managing stress is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. By mastering stress management techniques, individuals can mitigate its negative impacts and improve their quality of life. Here are 5 strategies to help you effectively manage stress. Practice mindfulness meditation. Allocate time each day for mindfulness meditation to cultivate present moment awareness and reduce stress levels. Exercise regularly. Incorporate physical activity into your routine to release tension and boost mood. Choose activities you enjoy and make exercise a priority for stress relief. Utilize relaxation techniques. Explore deep breathing exercises or progressive muscle relaxation to alleviate stress and induce calmness. Set aside dedicated time daily for relaxation practices. Prioritize time management. Set realistic goals, prioritize tasks, and delegate when necessary to avoid feeling overwhelmed by responsibilities. Cultivate supportive relationships. Build strong connections with friends, family, and colleagues who offer emotional support during stressful times. Conclusion: by integrating these techniques into your daily life, you can effectively manage stress and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, taking care of your mental health is essential for living a fulfilling life. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.